How to install a distribution board. This board distributes electricity to the electrical circuits and contains all safety devices. When it ceases to perform properly, it should be replaced. Switch off the power supply at the circuit breaker before carrying out any work. Apart from the distribution board and its electrical housing duct, you will need a lightning conductor if you live in an area which sees a lot of electrical storms. An RCD switch for each ring main circuit. A 30 mA circuit breaker. Terminal lags and switching bridges. You will need wire cutters, wire strippers, a set of screwdrivers, a cordless drill, and a roll of masking tape. The lightning conductor is the first in the safety chain. Then comes the 30 mA circuit breaker. And then the RCD switches for each ring main circuit. Electrical standards today require a minimum number of RCD switches depending on the size of your home. There must be at least 2 RCD switches for a house of less than or equal to 35 square meters. The rating of each RCD depends on the type of circuit it has to protect. Lighting circuits require 10 amps. Circuits requiring 10 to 16 amps have 16 amp RCDs. For a washing machine, dishwasher, water heater, tumble dryer and oven, the rating is 20 amps. For a hob and electric cooker, the rating is 32 amps. There may be other circuits in the system. Lights may be controlled by remote control with several push buttons. There are 24-hour programmers for off-peak electricity, as well as minute timers which turn off the lights automatically. Open the wiring duct to see where the unit is to go. Label each circuit in order to avoid mistakes. Take the cover off the board and position it in the recess, with 4 screws, 1 in each corner. At the start of each row, install a 30 mA circuit breaker. The module will push fit. Organize your distribution board left to right, with RCD switches in decreasing levels of power. Use terminal lags to link the modules together. They are easily cut to size using wire cutters. Remove 8 to 10 mm of insulation from each wire, then attach to the terminals inside the switch. Check the circuit label each time you make a connection. The wires are connected at the bottom of the modules. The blue wire to the neutral and the red wire to the phase terminal. Connect the circuit breaker at the beginning of each row. There are 2 terminal blocks inside the distribution board, one for neutral and one for phase. Connect the phase and neutral cables coming from the circuit breaker. Then connect all the green and yellow cables at the bottom of the unit. These are the earth cables. Then, connect the earth circuit to the green terminal block. Replace the distribution board cover and insert blanking plates to cover any empty spaces. Label each of the RCD modules. All you need to do now is to reconnect the power and turn on each of the individual RCD switches. Your home is now safer with a new distribution board.